In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect cells in Google Sheets. Protecting cells is a great way to prevent accidental changes and keep your data consistent, especially when you're collaborating. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and why. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet you want to work on. Once it's open, highlight the cell you want to protect. Starting with a single cell makes it easy to see how the feature works. Now go to the top menu and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen where you'll set up what's protected and who can edit it. If the selection shown in the panel matches the cell you highlighted, you can go straight to Set Permissions. This tells Google Sheets how to handle edits to that specific area. If you'd rather protect a larger area, like a whole sheet or a specific column, switch to the Sheet category in the panel. Use the drop-down to select the sheet and then choose the column you want to protect. This is handy for locking things like a totals column or a header you don't want changed. Need to allow a few cells to remain editable inside that protected area? Use the option labeled Accept Certain Cells. Check or uncheck it depending on your needs, and specify which cells to leave open. This is perfect when most of a column should be locked, but a few spots need input. If you want to protect multiple separate areas at once, let's click. Add another range and include those additional cells or ranges. When your selections look right, click OK to confirm the ranges. Next, click. Set permissions to define how strict the protection should be. You'll see two choices. Show a warning when editing this range, or restrict who can edit this range. A warning allows edits, but prompts users to double-check first, which is ideal for preventing mistakes without blocking work. Restricting access limits edits to specific people only. Use the drop-down to choose who can edit. You can keep it to just you or allow other collaborators. Pick only the people who truly need access to change that data. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the protection. To review what's protected later, click Show All Protected Ranges in the same panel. This gives you a clear list of everything you've locked, and from there you can edit or remove protections if requirements change. That's it. Your cells are protected, your workflow stays clean, and your data remains safe.